Hi there, this is Jeff Fisher, and I am the Site Computer Tech Coordinator for Summit High School. And what we're sharing with you today, basically this video here and also a file that looks exactly like what you're seeing right here. And what is this? Well, what this is this is what we call a student learning plan that gives in detail eventually what's going to happen, and it should happen by the end of October. All the student information will be filled out here completely, for the courses that they have done to take a look at getting closer and closer to that diploma. So eventually their name will be filled out here, the grade, graduation year, their ID number, date of birth. And then as they have completed courses, they'll get a complete picture to see exactly what's needed in order to graduate. So you can see right here, it keeps a running total within each one of the categories here. You can see it down there for science as well. And then the other awesome thing is right over here, it keeps track of a running total for everything. It gives you how many credits are complete so far and how many more are needed to graduate. And it also tells you how many you need within each one of these categories. If you have any questions, contact the school. Our number here is 760-238-9760. Thank you and enjoy your day.